Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I wanted to talk about something that some of y'all probably will go through, otherwise you wouldn't have clicked on this video, and it's what it feels like scaling past 50k per month. And for anyone watching this, whether you're at 0 or at 10k per month, 20k per month, it doesn't matter, because at some point I truly hope that you're going to be at the same point as I am and you want to know how this feels. And basically for the guys watching this that are doing around 10k per month, you're in this super weird space right now where you're not really talking to your old friends at the moment, but you also don't fit in with the rich people, the people driving the Lambos, the nice watches, the supercars, the jets. And it's tough because you have no one to talk to, you have no one to go to, and all you have is basically yourself and your business. And it's lonely. You have to understand that you have to go through this lonely period where you have to miss out on the parties, you have to say no to your old friends in order to get to the new friend group. And that's not easy. That's something that's super hard. And for me too, like for the last couple of years, I haven't really seen anyone much other than my very good hometown friend, just my single one good friend. And all the other friends and all the other parties I always used to say no to, and I still do. Because if you want to get to that next level and if you want to scale as a person or as an individual, you have to be able to eliminate all distractions and specifically eliminate the things that will drag you down or keep you from getting to your goal. And for most of you guys watching this, it's your friends. It's literally the friends that you grew up with, or maybe even your parents, that will drag you down because they don't see the same vision that you have and they don't share the same vision that you have. And this is super hard. It's super hard to say no to the people you used to love, and you still might love them, and that's okay. But in order for you to grow as an individual, you have to be able to say no to these people and even say no to your parents, because otherwise you're going to be stuck at the 10k level and you're going to be lonely for such a very, very long time. Another thing that if you still do this, and I hope you already unfollowed all the unnecessary people of your life, is you want to unfollow all the girls on social media and all your old friends and all the half-naked women that are never ever gonna talk to you, and they don't even care about who the fuck you are, because these girls, they don't know that you exist. And your old friends, do you care about them joining the thread? Do you care about them? Oh, it's my birthday, happy birthday. You shouldn't care, because it's distracting you from what you should be focusing on, which is your life and which is your business. And if you fry your brain every single day with all these bullshit, like the half-naked girls, all the guys online that doing better than you, the old friends that joining a thread or having a party, you shouldn't give a fuck about them. And that's also the reason why you should unfollow all these people. And to me too, like, I can show you guys my own Instagram, and pretty much everybody I follow, up a few people, are like people I've worked with, and I follow my girlfriend, and any other girl that I follow is either family related or is a super close friend of mine, or either a sister of one of my friends. And don't say this is sus, because like the friends that I have are very close and I'm just super close with their family as well. So unfollow all the bullshit people that don't add anything to your life and just focus. You have to limit all distractions, whether it's social media, whether it's your friends, everything that's keeping you from getting to that goal, you need to eliminate in order to get past the 50k per month, and also understand what it's gonna feel like to scale past 50k per month. Now, once you get to the 50k per month level, you probably think like, yo, this is special, I'm the big dog now, I make so much money. But actually the first $30 I ever made in my entire life with what I currently do is the best feeling I ever had. Like, a whole new world opened for me. And scaling doesn't give you the same feeling. Scaling from 0 to 10k doesn't give you the same feeling as scaling from 10 to 50k. 10 to 50k is just another step getting towards that goal. But the first sale you ever make will be the best sale you ever make. And I want you to, whenever you get that sale, if you're a beginner watching this, I want you to take a picture or take a screenshot of the first sale that you have, because it's gonna be one of those days that you will never forget. Like, I can still vividly remember the first $30 I got for the first ever video I edited for one of my clients, and the feeling is just insane. So if you think that making 50k per month is gonna make you feel special, then you're gonna be completely wrong. It's actually way more stressful, it's way less fun, there's a lot more stuff on your plate that you need to deal with, and therefore don't expect it to be all sunshine and rainbows, because in reality it's just a ton of fucking work. But if you want to make more money, of course more problems come with it as well, and you got to be able to solve these problems in order to make the 50k per month. Now for the people at 10k per month, so they already got some sales and not really the beginners anymore, when you get to that 10k barrier, and it's probably with just one single offer, you want to start looking into offer stacking or having a flagship offer. And basically what a flagship offer is just a super expensive fucking offer that nobody is gonna sell, but you're gonna market it and it's gonna make all the other offers look cheap. So for me, let's say I have a 12.5K offer, it looks expensive, I can still deliver the service, but no one is gonna buy it because it's actually too expensive for them. But then if you have a mid-tier offer, for example 5K a month, then that's gonna look so much cheaper because you have the 12K per month sitting next to it, which makes the 5K per month look so much cheaper. And that's why you wanna have multiple offers that you can sell to people. So for every type of person and every type of client, you're gonna have something to sell, but you wanna make sure that for each and every offer, you can deliver on what you promised them, because otherwise your clients are gonna be unhappy. They're gonna start talking about you and your name in a not so serious way, in an unhappy way. And then you're gonna have so many issues getting clients, because your reputation and the client results that you can show on social media are the biggest factor that you can leverage in order to get more clients. So keep that in mind. When you get to 10K per month, you wanna create multiple offers. I would go for 3 offers total: a flagship offer, your mid-ticket offer, and a low-ticket offer. And ideally, you want to sell the mid-ticket offer the most, because you will have the highest profit margin on the mid-ticket offer and you will have the lowest profit margin on the low-ticket offer and the high-ticket offer. Of course, you can structure it differently, but this is how it worked for me and this is how I was able to scale past 50K per month. And I'm just sharing this with you because I want you to learn from me completely for free. Like, there's nothing I can sell you. I just want to teach you what I did so you can learn from it and maybe implement it into your business so you can actually scale and grow your business as well. Now, once you break the 10K barrier, there's also one other thing that I want you to do. And the thing that you want to do instantly in order to expand your network and start working and meeting high-level people is traveling the world. And there's a few places that you can go, which is Miami, Dubai, Monaco, and London, for example. And for me personally, Miami has been the best so far, but for anyone it can be completely different. But as soon as you start traveling the world, you're gonna start meeting like-minded people. And this is exactly what is gonna get you out of that lonely place where we were just talking about, because you are actually able to start and meet people that are in the same position or even in a higher position than you are, and you can either learn from them or grow together. And this is where you can become friends with people who share the same vision, and you can actually share business ideas and thoughts with each other and therefore grow together, which is super important. Like, as soon as you can, book the fucking ticket. There is no reason to stay in your hometown with your broke friends and like people around you that are doing drugs, partying, drinking every day. There's zero reason to stay in your hometown, and there are tons of reasons why you need to leave the hometown and start traveling. And if you're watching this right now and you have 10K or you make 10K per month, I really want you to open up another tab on your computer. You want to go to Flight Scanner or whatever you want to book the ticket on, and you're either going to book a ticket to London, Miami, or Dubai, and you're going to go there within a month. And if you do this, trust me, start DMing some people on IG who are in Dubai, Miami, or London as well. Tell them, hey, yo, I'll be down in London or Dubai or Miami. Let's grab a coffee or let's go to dinner. Maybe even pay for the fucking dinner, show you're the nice guy, talk about business, provide them some free value. And some of these times, people will actually become clients when you go out to dinner with them, which sounds crazy because the dinners are fun. It's like going out to dinner with friends, but on a way higher level. And then at the end of the day, if they like you as a person and if they think what you do is valuable to them, you can actually hop on a call and sell them your 5K offer, for example. And then boom, you have another client. And this goes so fast. Like, it's unbelievable how much money you can make when you start traveling and when you start to meet new people, because they're just in the same boat as you and they all want to grow. And if they think that you are the solution to their problem that they have within their business, they will buy from you. And all you have to do is show them, hey, this is my value, this is what I can do. You're stuck right now at this point, or maybe in marketing you're stuck, or maybe in sales you're stuck. I can help you solve that problem, and within whatever your guarantee is, maybe in 30 days your business will be completely changed and your business will make so much more revenue. And if you can truly tell this to people in the right way and show them that what you say is actually true, they'll become a client easily. Specifically, if you have the social proof on your Instagram account with the client results, on your YouTube with the breakdowns, the video breakdown, just like I do on my YouTube channel, it's gonna be so simple to close clients when you travel. What comes with the traveling? Some of the people that you will see and meet during your traveling will actually become very close friends, and some of these guys are actually millionaires. Like for me, I have a couple of friends who are absolute beasts. They're doing 80K in a single fucking day with their businesses. They're absolute millionaires, making millions a month even. And that's crazy to me. And whenever you become the bitch of the friend group, which is the ideal situation that you can be in, you will grow as a person so much faster. And like for me too, I dropped out of college around 3 years ago. I started my online business. I met some millionaires. And fast forward 1.5 years later, I'm doing 54K per month in profit. And this was just in August last month. So if you want to check out the video, it's on the channel as well, breaking down exactly in a little bit more structured way on how I made exactly 54K per month in August. If you want to check it out, make sure to click somewhere on the screen. But yeah, let's continue with this video as well. So now that you scaled past 10K per month, you're probably handling with a lot of clients and a lot of people and a lot of team members, and maybe you're even at 20K per month. And this is pretty hard because you scaled to this level, but your systems and your team might be behind the level that you're currently on. So what you want to do is, when you're at this level and you have the right profit margin, I hope you have the right profit margin if you have a service-based business, you want to start looking and hire A players within your team. You want to build out systems, SOPs, a business management hub. You want to build out the whole business and the whole structure in a Miro board, in a Monday system, automations in Slack, SOPs. You want to hire a VA so you can save yourself so much time, because if you are a slave in your agency, you're basically a glorified employee or a glorified slave, in my opinion, because you're spending 40, 50, 60 hours a week and pretending like, oh, I'm the tough business owner, but all you do is fix everything within your business because you don't have the right team. And in order to scale from 20 to 50K per month, you need to have the right systems, the right team, and the right SOPs. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to scale to 50K per month. So if you're watching this right now and you're at 20K per month, you want to start looking for A players. And it depends on what you offer and where you want to go for, but you really have to take some time and fight these people. You want to fire fast and hire slow. You really want to make sure you find the right guys for your team. Otherwise, if you hire the wrong people, and I did this before, like a year ago, I was hiring super fast, very cheap people. I didn't want to spend the money on them, but then clients left. Like within a month, they said, yo, fuck your service. The quality is shit. Your delivery sucks. I want to leave. So 1 month, oh, quick money, nice. You want to have clients that stay for a very long time, and the only way you have clients for a very long time is by having the right team. If you can keep clients while also scaling, then you'll never get to the 50K per month. And besides that, when you have the team, you will have so much time that you can focus on actually thinking and growing the business rather than being the fucking slave within your business. So that being said, I really do hope that this is a sign for you to either start traveling, start hiring team members, and maybe even watch a video on my YouTube channel on how I made 54K per month in August, because it can literally change your life. And there's nothing I'm holding back right now. There's nothing I'm not telling you. I'm basically telling you exactly what I did. So if you want to learn exactly what I do and you want to scale to 54K per month, check out my YouTube. Everything is there for free. Or if you need more specific help or you have any questions, let me know on IG or in the comments, and I'm more than happy to make a video about it as well. As frankly, I truly believe I can help you, and I want to help you succeed as well. So make sure you do it. If you want to subscribe, do it. If you don't want to subscribe, I don't care. I don't need the subs. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I've said more than enough. It's 11 p.m. in Miami. What else can I say? See you guys in the next video. Peace.